Hey guys, Pallab Koshal with you once again, and in this video, or rather in this video series, I'm going to be discussing a brand new strategy which I have implemented over the past few months and which has been paying rich dividends to me. And I'm going to share the entire case study with you, and I'm sure you're going to love this, and there's going to be a ton more revenue in your pocket in the near future. Now I am inside my YouTube account, and I have just done a search over the last 30 days. You can see 5th of March to April 3rd. Now what happened is that in this search you can see I've got almost 7,000 minutes worth of video viewing, alright, which is with a very high amount of engagement. You can also see the top 10 videos which I have got from this, and also the top geographical location which I have, like United States, UK, India, Canada, Singapore, which means that from this strategy which I'm about to reveal to you, I have been getting almost all the top tier countries without paying a single penny inside this video marketing strategy for free. Now even further, if I go into analysis, the same data, you can see the same data over here, 5th March to April 3rd. You can see that I have been getting traffic from external sources, which is 68%, suggested videos, other YouTube features, YouTube searches, direct unknown browsers. So if you combine this, is huge, because in the last 1 month itself, it's almost 7,000 minutes of combined video viewing for free from the top tier countries. So what is exactly this strategy, or how I did it? So let me introduce you. Some of you might have heard about this strategy, some of you might not have heard, but what we'll do an entire study of how you can do it for your business in this particular series. Now here, let me introduce you to Google Hangouts. So I'm sure by now you might have heard about Google Hangouts, which is the new video conferencing tool of Google. Now my question to you is that, have you been using Google Hangouts, or if yes, have you been making money from Google Hangouts? And that's how I'm going to recommend to you. And in this video series, once I kind of hold your hand and take you through this entire module of Google Hangout, you'll be able to establish a rapport with this technology, and you'll see that how easy it is to use this particular stuff and rank your videos, and in turn make a lot of money for free. So let's go ahead. Now what are the benefits of Google Hangouts? Number one, it's accessibility. Now imagine any other video conferencing tool which is expensive, which can cost you $50 to $100 per month just for using that, plus a lot of technological stuff. Inside Google Hangout, there are almost nobody in this world who doesn't know what Google is, or who doesn't have an access to Google. You just need an internet connection. Now you can just simply plug and play, and with a single click you can join the Google Hangouts and start using it. The other advantage, being part of Google platform, it works across computers like Android and iOS devices, and across all operating systems. Now the content of the Hangouts on air integrates directly with YouTube. That's huge, because Google again owns YouTube. Now guess what? Since it's the same baby of the same family, so YouTube loves the Google Hangout content, and as a result, you not only get the potential audience from both the properties, but also have your videos are hosted inside YouTube for free. So unlike on a third-party service where you have the Hangout, but the video you cannot host, you have to use a third-party servers, you have to pay them again. But the advantage of Hangout is that you can not only have the content ready, uploaded, but also you have the archive inside YouTube for free. So that's huge once you understand the advantages. And you can, I store hundreds of videos inside my Google archive through Hangouts, which is exactly the way you should be doing it in the future. The other advantage that you can also edit and share the content externally to your websites. Like if you want to share a Hangout content throughout your email, you can do that, like I always do. I share my Hangout content inside my email to send it out to my audience. or you can have the same Hangout content inside your blog for your audience, into your Facebook fan page, your Facebook group, social media sites, LinkedIn, anywhere you want to have them, just for the viral spread. So the combination of Google Hangout plus YouTube plus social media can be absolutely brutal. Ranking. Now obviously once you make a video, your primary goal is to rank your video, and you want to rank it in the first page of Google and beat your competition about the same keyword. Now the advantage of Google Hangout or being a Google product, YouTube loves fresh Hangout content because they know it's from the similar fraternity, and ranks them higher than any other video files from different servers. So you can easily rank your videos and beat your competition without doing anything else. They might be spending a lot more money, they will be paying the hosting services, they'll be paying the Hangout companies, but you, because you're using Google Hangout for free, you'll be beating all of them just in a flash. Let's go ahead and look at some other advantages. Now it's low cost, because to run a Hangout you simply require a device like your laptop or a computer with a webcam and microphone. Like I do my Hangout just with my Dell laptop without even a webcam. I just do it from my laptop webcam and it works perfectly. Plus what happens once you use it from your home computer with your laptop, it builds that rapport with your audience somehow, because they feel that they can also do the same. So it's huge, man. Along with that, Google Hangout, which I'll show you in the next I think the second next video, that inside Google Hangouts you can also have an array of facilities, okay, like text chat, live audience polling, video conferencing. We can have a panel of 10 people in the conferencing. You can have different gestures like applaud, different colors and controls and tracking. You can mute a particular person, you can kick a particular person out of the Hangout and answer the person's questions, answer the audience questions. So guys, it's huge once you take the entire thing into consideration. Also it has a high engagement, because video conferencing as a technology has been developed to have a very high amount of engagement, and not only amongst the participant but as well as amongst the audience. Now once you sit in a single location, and if we can do a conference with people from 10 different locations across the world, it's like you are sitting together, which is huge, because they can kind of see each other, they can feel each other. The same engagement also is carried out once the audience sees the conferencing, like they see a gamut of people in front of them. So it's just imagine the scenario, and just to showcase, I have a picture in the next slide. Now in a nutshell, it's the dream of small business owners, including internet marketers. Obviously internet marketing is part of self-employment and a business. So this is the image which I wanted to share with. This is not my image, I just got it from Google just to share with you. Here's a person who is doing a Hangout with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different people. So the moment you speak in the Hangout, your picture and your sounds come up, but the others are still there. Okay, so that's the kind of picture you have, and once you go to the entire series, you should be able to do a Hangout yourself and do it for fun, man. And once you do it once or twice, you'll love the feature. I'm sure you'll do it again and again and again, because it's absolutely fun, man. So that's it from this particular video. In the next video, I will take you through some of the influential areas, or some of the ways you can use Hangouts to boost your business and boost your sales and make more money. So guys, thank you so much for being inside the video, and I'll see you in the next